You are going to the house of Brother Dogel Lepcha, one of our pastors, and taking care of the Merung work. They're also running the school here. Brother Dogel, alikati malai hernos ta Dogel daju. This is Brother Dogel. Jai Masih. And this is his house. He has a very typical Lepcha house. Original. This is the Yokio kitchen. He got.
Yeah, but latrine.
Latrine. Your kitchen, no? Oh, yo, खास लाप्चे घर है. पुरानो नियमको. यहाँबाट जानु? यङ गरे.
हजुर त्यो पुरानो उहिले के भने पुरानो भत्का पठाए के त्यहाँ सामानलाई सकेर छैन हौ सामानलाई सकेर छैन
Hello bird.